In this tip of the day, let's take a close look at OneCNC toolpath simulation. In fact, I'm going to demonstrate how you can fully utilize the OneCNC Rapid Collision detection. Alright, so let's get started. Here we have a part. You can see I've applied a roughing operation to this and then two drilling operations using a 3/8 diameter drill and an 1/8 inch diameter drill. Let's quickly take this into the toolpath simulator. I'm going to right-hand mouse click on the toolpath group, select Simulate Rest. I'm going to be using a solid model I created earlier for the stock. So we'll click OK to that. And here we go. So here's the roughing operation. And then when that's finished, we're going to be changing tools to a 3/8 diameter drill and then drilling the holes. Okay, so we drilled, and you can see that OneCNC has left a red mark on the part. And anytime you see some red marks like this or red faces on the resultant model, that's because there's been a collision, in this case, a rapid collision. All right, now, if you had lots of toolpath and you finally took a look at this, you may not know which tool is responsible for causing that. And what I'd like to demonstrate is if you head over to the left-hand side of the screen and activate this option called Show Rapid Collisions. There we go. And what that's going to do is that's going to stop the tool exactly at that point of contact. It's a very helpful feature. So let's restart this. Speed this up a little bit more. All right, and here's the rapid, and there we go. There's the tool, and notice how it stops right there. That's showing me that it's that 3/8 drilling operation that we're going to need to modify. Now, if you click play, OneCNC will definitely push through the rest of the simulation, but the point being is that this is a very useful tool when activating this because it can help you find out which toolpath we need to adjust. So let's quickly go back here. Let's right-hand mouse click on our drilling operation. I'm going to quickly move through these dialog boxes. Yep, and sure enough, our rapid Z-plane's at minus 50 thousandths. Let's change that to 200 thousandths. Click Next and Finish, and then we'll right-hand mouse click and quickly resimulate the toolpath again. All right, so there's the roughing. And remember, our rapid collision detection is still turned on. There's our drilling, large tool, and small drill. All right, very good. Rapid collision detection within OneCNC. It's a very powerful tool. All right, that's it for this tip of the day. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.